Hi everybody, welcome back. Today we'll talk about 3 new windows in Adobe Illustrator. They will help you to customize your project quicker. So let's start. The first one today is Appearance window. From this window I can change the appearance of any shape or text. For example, I will make a rectangle like this. And from here I can change the fill like this and change the color of stroke and increase or decrease the size of stroke like this. And also I can change the opacity or I can add new effect from here like 3D like this, and I can make a new stroke or new fill or delete any one of here or clear appearance for any shape, or I can delete any of selected, like I can delete the effect from here like this, and I can make any effect like this. And anytime I wanted to change my effect, I go to appearance window and click on the effect to change it like this. The second one today is artboard window. From this window I can change my artboard. I can click here to change the setting of my artboard, like width, height, rotation, or the present. And also I can change the name of the artboard like this. And also I can add new artboard like this, and I can rearrange my artboards like this, or I can make them in one line or from up to down, and I can change the spacing between them like this, and the layout direction, and I can move them from here like this, or I can add new artboard or delete any artboard. The next one today is asset export. This window is used for exporting any shape or any text from your artboard by any extension like this. I can make a rectangle like this, and I can change the color, and from here I can drag it to the window, and I can now export it and save it to my computer with an extension. I can save it to PNG or SVG or PDF, and I can change my scale, and I can add any shapes or any text from here. That was all for today. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question, leave it in comments and I will be happy to answer it. Goodbye.